void main char ch equal to 292 printf %d %c ch this %d print this ch, this %c print this ch. Now ch is a character variable and 292 is a integer constant, but here ch is a character variable. In that scenario, this is not integer constant, basically it is a ASCII value. So in this case, in this program, ch is a variable, 292 is a constant, and char is a data type. We already know a particular type of variable can hold same type of constant. Here we can see that ch is a variable, that is the char type, but 292 is an integer type, so it seems there is an error, but there is a no error. When variable is char type and constant is looks integer, in that scenario that integer constant is treated as a ASCII value. So 292 is a ASCII value, not integer constant, it is a ASCII value. Ch is a variable and char is a data type. 292 by default data type, by default it is signed, data type by default is signed, so there is nothing mentioned before signed char and unsigned char, so this is the signed char. So when signed char, the range of signed char is -128 to +127. This is the range of signed char, because ch is a signed char variable. Ch is a signed char variable. Here by default signed is hidden. So in this case, the range is -128 to +127, but 292, that is the ASCII value. Here this is the ASCII value. 292 is not within the range, so compiler reduce 292 within the range. So how this value reduce in within range? When this value is positive, then it starts with 1. So it starts with 1, starts with 1 +2 +3 ... +127. When you attempt 127 plus, then control go to -128 side. So when you increment +127 plus 1, then value will be -128. Again when you increment, then value will be 127 ... -1, (0). Again this in one cycle the value will be +1 to 127, that is 127, -1 to -1, that is the 128 total value, plus 1 plus for 0, so here 1, total number is 256. 256 is still short than 292. How many short? 292 minus 256, that is 36. So we have to go, we are here currently, we have to go 36 point more. So we are finally at 36 position. So 36 is 292 is reduced to 36, and this 36 is assigned to CH. So 36 is a final reducible value, final reduced value. So 36 assigned to CH, %d print this CH. So here 36 will be printed because %d print the signed integer. So %d print CH, 36 printed here, and %c print print character. %c print this CH, %c print the character, and character will be dollar here because dollar is mapped over the 36 ASCII value. For 36 ASCII value there is a character, that is the dollar. So dollar will be printed here. Suppose there is a negative sign here. Suppose there is a negative sign here. Now how will you reduce 292 into within range of char? Here start with this side. When value is negative, then B start with -1 and go to -2, -3, -4, dot dot -128. Total value is 128. When you attempt -128 plus 1, then it will go to +127. Again when you increment, value will be +126. When you increment, value will be +125, +124, dot dot 1. Total value is 127, 0 for 1 for 0. Total value is 256. Again when you reduce 292 minus 256, value is 36, but this side -36. But this side you have to go 36 points. So value will be -36 here. When there is a 292, value will be -36. -36 assigned to char, %d print this CH, sorry, -36 assigned to CH, %d print this CH, value will be -36. %c print this CH, it will be the character on this ASCII value. So character will be changed, I don't know, but there will be some character here. Now suppose this is unsigned. Suppose here there is nothing mentioned, it is signed. By default data type is signed. Suppose there is mention unsigned keyword, unsigned. Suppose it is unsigned. Unsigned char CH equal to 292. Here is 292. Now how will you reduce? This is unsigned, range will be changed. Range will be 0 to 255. Now how will you reduce this 292 in this range? Compiler reduce this 292 within the unsigned char range, that is 0 to 255. So we start from 1. If value is positive here, by default it is positive, there is no sign that it is positive, 292 is positive. The value start with +1, +2, +3 and go up to 255. Total value is 255. When you attempt 255 plus 1, value will be 0. Value will be 0. So for 0 there is 1. Total value is 256. How many times 256 is short? -292 minus 256, value is 36. You are currently here, you have to move 36 points further, so you are at 36 position. Finally this 36 is assigned to CH. Now output will be 36. This time this %d print CH, so CH has 36, so value will be 36, and this %c print this CH, the value will be character on this 36. This is the ASCII value, so character on this 36, so that is the dollar. That is the dollar. Suppose this is minus. Suppose this is a minus. Now how will you reduce? In minus scenario, how will you reduce? In case of signed char, for minus value, we start with -1, but there is no minus here. So here B start with 255, this side. So 255, 254, 253, plus, and you go to +1. Total value is 255, 0. Total value is 1, 256. Total value is 256. How many times it is sort by 292? Minus 256. Total value is 36. Total value is 36. You are here at 0 because you have add 1 for 0. So you are here. You have to further move 36 point. So 255, 254, 253, 252, 251, 250, 249 ... When you move 36 point, you will get 220 value finally. So CH has now 220 value. So CH received 220, that is the ASCII value. %D print this CH, that is the 220, and %C print this CH. So character, there will be printed character, I don't know, but there will be some character here. So here printed some character corresponding to this ASCII value, minus 220. Okay, some more question on data type. Int a equal to 32769. Suppose printf %d and you printed a. Class, this is a program. A is a variable, integer type variable, and this constant is also integer, so there is no problem. There will be no syntax error. So this is a constant, this is a variable, this is the data type. All are same. All are integer type. So no problem. Printf %d a. This %d print a. % is made for to print the signed integer number. So this %d print this a. By default data type is hidden here. That is the signed data type. If nothing mentioned here, signed, unsigned, then by default it is signed. So this is the signed int a equal to 32767. When you will print it, the output will be not 32769. Output will be not, because 32769 is out of range of signed integer. So it is a signed, a is a signed integer, its range will be minus 32762 plus 32767. This value is beyond this range. This value is beyond this range. So compiler reduce this value within this range. How? This is the positive. So it starts with +1. It starts with +1. It starts with +1, +2, +3 ... plus 32769. Sorry, 32767. When you attempt +1 increment in this number, you will get negative side. Negative side number 32768. Again, when you will increment 32767, further go to 0 in this way. So how many times this number is beyond this maximum range? 32769 minus 32767. 2 times. This number is 2 times greater than this number. So when you increment 2 times, value will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, you are here, and this number is in 2 times larger. Sorry, this number has 2 quantity value larger. So when you increment +1, you will get this number. When further you increment, you will get this number. So final number is -32767 is reduced value of this number, and this reduced number is assigned to this. So A get not 32769, but A will get the -32767. That is the reduced value. Compiler will reduce. So this is the reduced value which variable A is getting. So when %d print A, the output will be 327 minus 32767, because we are finally here. So this is the example. You have to try for this number. Suppose this is negative, then you have to try for this number. How will you reduce? When it is negative, you will start from this side. -1, -2, -3, you will go there. When you increment 2 times, so you will get +32766. In this time, when you put negative number, you will get +32766. Some important points on data type. First, by default data type is signed. By default data type is signed, which means if you write long signed int A, long signed int A can be written as long int A, because by default data type is signed. So signed is here. So you may write long signed int A equal to long int A, because signed is hidden. By default data type is signed. So you can write this equal to this. You can choose either this or this. By default data type is int. In that scenario, long signed int A can be written as long signed A. There is no int because by default data type is int. Here is a int, but here is data type int is missing, because by default data type is int here. So you can write long signed int A equal to long signed A. If we combine both features, by default data type is signed, by default data type is int, then we can write long signed int A equal to long A. We can write this. Long signed int A can be written as long A, because here signed is present, by default data type is signed. Here int is also present because data type is by default int. So long signed int A can be written as long A. Long A has both int and signed feature. So this is handy. I think it will be better to write long A. In place of long signed int A, you may choose long A. Long data type has greater range, but it makes program little bit slower. One more thing, suppose a constant is small enough to be stored in int or sort, but you intensely want to use long. In that scenario, you have to put capital L or small l after the constant. For example, Suppose 23. 23 is small enough. Suppose a constant is small enough to store in int or sort, but you intentionally want to use long. In that scenario, you have to put capital L or small l after the integer. 23 is small enough. It can be stored in int data type or sort int data type, but you intentionally want to use the long. For example, long int a equal to 23. So there are some compilers which make pop-up error because it consider 23 is small enough to store in int, but you have write long int. In that scenario, if you show your intention that I intentionally use the long, for that scenario you have to put either small l or capital L for some compilers. So this will be the valid variable initialization. Long int a equal to 23. How char can be signed How char data type can be signed? Char is a character. How it have sign? For examples, char ch equal to a. Class here, you may see it. A is a character constant, ch is a character variable, and char is a data type. All are same, so there will be no error. Here ch is not holding the a. Basically ch is holding here binary equivalent of ASCII number of this a. So this a have ASCII number 65. Its binary number is assigned to ch. ch basically holding the binary number of ASCII value of particular character. So here ch is receiving not a, not character a, but its binary equivalent of ASCII number. So if ch can hold 65, then ch can also hold minus 65. So it is holding the minus 65. In this way, char data type can be signed or unsigned.